the 2026 Prevost Royale Voyager, a where North American grandeur meets timeless luxury. What happens when long-haul mastery meets romantic escapes and the art of supreme travel? Introducing the 2026 Prevost Royale Voyager, a mobile sanctuary on wheels, sculpted for visionaries, road romantics, and connoisseurs of comfort alike. It's not just mobility, it's a journey in sovereign style. A presence that commands their horizon. Stretching 45 feet, the Prevost Royale Voyager dominates the road with a profile both majestic and aerodynamic. Its polished chrome grille leads the front like a herald of distinction. LED adaptive headlamps pierce the night, while brushed aluminium accents and a sculpted panoramic roofline craft a silhouette worthy of North American luxury coach legacy. Interior, the Sovereign Lounge. Step through its automatic coach doors into a realm of artisanal refinement. Cashmere-accented walls, hand-stitched leather lounges, and walnut veneer floors define the living space. Artisan crystal fixtures, brushed nickel detailing, and floating cabinetry create an atmosphere of understated extravagance. A marble-topped dining suite seats two in sublime elegance, with concealed beverage and appliance pods for meals curated like fine art. The bedroom floats like a dream, a king-sized memory foam bed wrapped in Egyptian cotton, framed by velvet headboards, ambient starlight ceilings, and panoramic vision panels that reveal sweeping vistas with every turn. The spa-style bathroom features onyx flooring, dual vanities and polished nickel, gold-threaded towels, and a rainfall dome shower within a smoked crystal enclosure. Rosewood cabinetry and gentle amber lighting wrap you in quiet magnificence. Technology meets refinement. 29-inch bespoke command dial interface, discrete solar lace canopy, fingerprint iris scan, entry with AI concierge voice, electric assisted V12 hybrid, 900 plus HP, 0 100 km/h in 6.9 seconds, magic carpet ride suspension, all-wheel glide system, regenerative braking. Safety, Serenity custom detailing. Level 2 plus autonomous cruising, night vision, lane centering, adaptive dampers, wind balance stabilizers, and 368 degrees thermal cameras ensure a secure yet ethereal ride. And in true Prevost spirit, personalization knows no bounds. Choose from exterior shades, sovereign silver, imperial onyx, regal bronze, majestic pearl, cabin moods, crimson velvet, dove gray, Windsor blue, or add private cigar humidors, perfume dispensers, or crest embroidery on silk panels. Worthy of a throne on wheels. With a starting price of approximately $3.4 million USD, and bespoke Grand Voyager editions crossing $5.2 million, the Prevost Royale Voyager isn't just luxury, it's heritage in motion. Why be confined to a mansion or a yacht when you can carry your empire on wheels? Tell us, would you crown the Prevost Royale Voyager as your dream honeymoon escape over a royal suite or a floating palace? Like, share, and subscribe for more extraordinary expressions of mobile grandeur. This is Auto Explorer, bringing tomorrow's majesty to today's highways.